Myself, Sunil Kumar Kichi, Assistant Professor, Engineering College, Mir. Today I teach RPC in distributed systems. In distributed computing, remote procedure calls is when a computer program caches a procedure due to execute in a different addresses space which coded as if it is where normal a local procedure calls without the programmer explicitly coding there. The main basic RPC operations and operation server and client. Server call PXYZ networks then returns the basic operations. First one client, second one is client stubs, third one is RPC runtime, and fourth one is server stub, or fifth is server. Next is RPC executions, client and server headers, then client routines, server routines, client stub, server stub, or network routines or network routines, local kernels or remote kernels. There are kernels. This is the 5 basic operations. IPC part of the distributed system can often conveniently hindered by the message passing models. It does not offer a uniform space, uniform panorama for all the needs. RPC emerged as a result of this. It can be said the space case in message passing models. It has become widely accepted because of the following features: simple call syntax, and similarity to local procedure calls. It specifies a well-defined interface, and this property support compile time, type checking, and automated interface generations. In case of use efficiency and generality, it can be used IPC mechanism between process on different machines, and also between procedures on the same machines. RPC model, it is similar to commonly used procedure call model. It works in the following manner. For making a procedure call passes arguments to the procedure in some well-specified locations. Control in the transferred to sequence of instructions that constitution the body of procedures. The procedure's body is executed in newly created execution environment that includes the copies of the arguments given in the calling instructions. After the procedure execution is over, control returns to calling point, returning a result. The RPC enables to call to procedure that does not reside in the address space of the calling process. Since the caller and the callee process have disjoint address space, the remote procedure has no access to data and variable of the caller's environment. RPC facility uses message passing scheme for a uniform for information exchange between the caller and the callee process. Over arrival request message, the server passes, extracts the procedure's parameters, computes the results, send a reply message, and the await next call message. First one is client process, और सेकंड या कॉलर मैसेज, या सर्वर में कॉलिंग प्रोसेस, देन कॉल प्रोसीजर्स एंड वेट फॉर रिप्लाईज. इधर रिक्वेस्ट मैसेज contains the remote procedures parameters, received request and start procedure executes send reply and wait for the next request, then resume executions. Remote procedure call models. Only one of the two process in activities at the any given time. It is not always necessary that the caller gets blocked. There can be RPC implementation depending on the parallelism of the caller and the callee environments. The RPC could be asynchronous so that the client may do useful work while waiting for the reply for the servers. Good, thanks.